Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Marketplace order tracking. With this extension, the store owner can allow customers to check the status of their online orders. Also, the sellers can track the orders and update them accordingly. Let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's discuss module configuration first. From here, admin can select the template for order tracking states that are displayed on the order details page. This is the desktop and mobile view of the order tracking states of template 1, and this is the desktop and mobile view of the order tracking states of template 2. If this field is enabled, then the order tracking states of combined products will be displayed at the front end. After the installation of the module, a new tab, Order Tracking State, is added under Marketplace. From here, admin can add and manage the order tracking states. By default, there are 4 predefined order tracking states available in the module. Rearrange the position of order tracking states, enable, disable, edit or delete the order tracking states from here. Click here to add a new order tracking state. Enter the order tracking state name and description here. Click here to upload the icon that will be displayed once the order tracking state is achieved. Click here to upload the icon that will be displayed when the order tracking state is pending. Enable, disable the order tracking state from here. Suppose a customer places an order in the store. After the installation of the module, a new tab, Tracking State, is added to the seller order details page. From here, a seller can update the tracking state of an order. Now, when a seller updates the tracking state, it gets updated on the customer order details page. Here we can see the order tracking state has been changed from order placed to packed. Now suppose a customer places an order for 2 products of the same seller. If admin has enabled this field, then the order tracking states of both the products combined will be displayed on the order details page, and if admin has disabled this field, then order tracking state of each product in an order will be displayed separately. Here we can see the order tracking state of the products are displayed separately. If the customer orders products from two different sellers, then in this case the order tracking states for the products will be displayed as per the updations made by the sellers of the respective products. Here we can see the first seller has shipped the product while the other one has packed it.